Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to generate metapixel code in Events Manager. As you can see, I am into my Facebook account and I have already switched into my Facebook page, right? Now you can visit in Events Manager by two methods, either using Ads Manager or Meta Business Suite. So let us visit Meta Business Suite first. Okay, we are into Meta Business Suites. Now here in the left side, click on All Tools. Here you will get an option of Events Manager. If you don't get, then simply search for Events Manager over here. I'm going to click on this Events Manager. Okay, this is Events Manager. We are into it. To create Metapixel, you need to visit Events Manager first, right? So as you can see here, we have an option of connecting a new data, right? If you have already created Metapixel, then you can go in data sets. Whereas if you are creating the Metapixel code for first time, then you need to click on Connect Data. As you click on Connect Data, you need to select Web, click on Next. You can rename your Metapixel code Ayushman Metapixel, right? So I have given a name to my Metapixel code and I will click on create. It is asking me whether you want to connect this Metapixel code with an ad account. Yes, I want to connect this Metapixel to my ad account. I will click on next. Okay, my Metapixel code has been created, right? I will tell you how to copy the Metapixel code. You need to click on setup Metapixel in the overview section, right? Here you will get an option, else the pop-up will automatically arise, right? If you're creating Metapixel code for the first time. Let me tell you for this one first. So here we will click on see other ways to set up. Here we will select setup manually and we will click on next. Metapixel only, click on next. Here you can copy this code and you can paste it somewhere in the text document on your desktop, right? For that I have given this. I'm creating a text document. Right click on the desktop, new, and text document. Ayushman Metapixel. I have rename this text document. I have opened this text document. Now I will simply paste this text document and paste this code and save this document. Okay, coming back to this. So this is your Metapixel code. You can copy and save it somewhere, as you need to paste this Metapixel code directly onto your website, right? So we have copied this. Coming back, if in case that particular pop-up doesn't appears on your screen, then how you can copy that Metapixel code? Let me tell you that in Metapixel code, as you can see, I am into my data sets. In the overview section, you need to scroll down and here you will get an option of setup Metapixel. You need to click on this, install code manually, and again copy the code. For example, if you are on this step, then you can switch the step by clicking on here. So we have already copied our Metapixel code, right? Let me tell you that how you can connect your Metapixel code with the ad account. If that particular ad account pop-up doesn't appear, then you need to click on the settings of your data set. Here you will get an option of add accounts. Here within an ad account, it will automatically redirect to you towards Meta Business Suite settings. So I am into my Meta Business Suite settings page, and as you can see, I am into my data sources, data sets, and pixels, right? We are over here. We need to simply select it and then click on connected assets. As in my case, the pop-up appeared on the screen automatically to connect with ad account. If in your case that particular pop-up have not appeared, then you can follow this step. Here you need to click on connect assets, other business assets, select this ad account and click on add. so that automatically your metapixel code will get connected. You need to verify your account, send email. We will receive a confirmation code over the email, right? We have entered the confirmation code and we will click on submit to verify our email address. Done. Okay, the metapixel code has been connected to our ad account, right? Now the next things come is to how to paste that metapixel code in your website header, right? So that particular thing we will learn in next video. Now if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.